Okay, it's January 2026. I recently got nailed with a huge heating bill for this month. Actually, it's February 2026, just turned. And I got a huge heating bill for last month. The ceilings of this house have R60 in them. This house has a lot of efficiency in the roof in terms of insulation, and the heating bill still got enormous. When I put the insulation in the attic, I cut my heating bill by a third. But now this deep freeze of a winter gave me the biggest heating bill I've ever had for a month. So I decided to come up with my idea for a solution. I wanted to put insulation on the walls of the inside of the house. So what I ended up doing was I went down to Home Depot. They have various types of insulation down there. Unfortunately, this stuff is flammable, but I don't smoke, so there's no reason for it to burn in the house. I got some of this polypanel stuff from Home Depot. I was thinking of getting something else, but whatever. And I support that insulation by raising it up off the floor using 5-shelf metal shelving, where I kept the top shelf in and the bottom shelf is in with the platform on it, and I'm setting the insulation on the platforms next to the wall, and the extra shelves left over I set on the floor with supports, plastic supports from the insulation under them, and push them against the wall above the radiators so that the insulation doesn't get too hot. And this goes this is the outside wall, from one corner of the outside wall to the other corner of the outside wall. I have the windows covered up, so I don't give a damn. I never use this room, but as you can see, I have the same thing going on in here with the platforms underneath the insulation. And I haven't completed it yet, but it goes all the way to the corner of the outside wall, and I will fill it up later. So this is my solution. I think I bought 5 of these for 85 bucks. And there's a lot of them. But I've done one room, and the room is much warmer at night when I sleep in it, so that's my solution.